At least $241 million in taxpayer funds have been allocated to transgender surgeries and animal experiments, leading a congressional lawmaker to question the rationale behind such expenditures. Representative Eli Crane from Arizona expressed his disbelief, stating that spending millions on these treatments was insane. During a House Committee on Oversight and Reform hearing titled Transgender Lab Rats and Poisoned Puppies, Oversight of Taxpayer-Funded Animal Cruelty, Justin Goodman from the White Coat Waste Project watchdog group revealed that the federal government spent millions on transgender animal testing. He described experiments involving animals such as mice, rats, and monkeys, which underwent surgical procedures and hormone therapies to simulate gender transitions. These studies examined the biological, psychological, and physiological effects of gender transitions, including the impact of vaccines on transitioned animals and changes in their genital size due to hormone treatments. In one example, a $1.01 million grant was used to administer testosterone to female lab rats to mimic transgender males and observe their likelihood of overdosing on a certain drug. Representative Crane criticized Anthony Fauci, former director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, for authorizing over $200 million in taxpayer funds for transgender animal testing. Crane emphasized that hardworking Americans are frustrated with such uses of their resources and called for Congress to return to single-subject spending bills to eliminate these programs. Goodman pointed out that many taxpayer-funded animal studies are not easily accessible to the public due to complex federal spending databases. He estimated that over $20 billion has been spent on ineffective animal research. According to Goodman, Dr. Fauci funded 95% of transgender animal experiments, based on an analysis by the White Coat Waste Project. In 2024, $10 million was reportedly spent on creating transgender animals. Representative Nancy Mace from South Carolina criticized the Biden administration's agenda for allowing taxpayer dollars to fund these experiments. She highlighted that over $1 million was spent to determine if female rats receiving testosterone therapy were more likely to overdose on a specific drug. Goodman noted that animal testing is often inaccurate and expensive, lacking effectiveness in projecting human health or environmental effects. He also mentioned that the Biden administration overturned a previous plan to phase out animal testing,